Welcome to this video from Yalla Learn Arabic. Today we're gonna learn about jobs. Let's look at the words for some jobs in Arabic. A teacher is معلم. معلم. That's the masculine form. The feminine form is معلمة. معلمة. So we just added the letter ha at the end. معلمة. A doctor is طبيب. طبيب. The feminine version is طبيبة. Notice that you can also say دكتور or دكتورة for female. Manager in Arabic is مدير. مدير. Now, can you guess the female version? Yes, it's مديرة. A plumber in Arabic is سباك. سباك. The feminine version is سباكة. سباكة. A person who's unemployed is عاطل or عاطلة. You can also say لا يعمل for masculine or لا تعمل, which literally means not working. A housewife is ربة منزل. ربة منزل, which literally means homemaker. If you want to ask someone about their job, you ask, what's your job? ماذا تعمل? ماذا تعمل? The answer is, I'm a teacher. أنا معلم. أنا, as you guessed, means I. معلم is teacher. Do you like your job? هل تحب عملك? هل means what, or in this case, do you? تحب, to like or to love. عملك, your job. If you're talking to a female, هل تحبين عملك? هل تحبين عملك? Yes, very much. نعم, أحبه كثيرا. نعم is yes. أحبه, I like it. كثيرا is much. نعم أحبه كثيرا. Or you could say, no, it's boring. لا, إنه ممل. لا means no. إنه, it is. ممل, boring. ممل. لا, إنه ممل. Some people also say أجده مملا. I find it boring. Now moving on to more questions. If you want to ask someone, where do they work? Where do you work? أين تعمل? أين, where. تعمل, you work. When you put it together, أين تعمل? Where do you work? You could say, I work in a hospital or in a school. I work in a school. أعمل في مدرسة. أعمل, I work. في is in. مدرسة means school. أعمل في مدرسة. Change مدرسة to any of the other places. أعمل في مصنع, factory. مستشفى, hospital. أعمل في مستشفى. I work in a hospital. أعمل في شركة. شركة means company. أعمل في متجر. متجر is a shop. If it's a supermarket, you can just say supermarket. Some people also use محل, which also means a shop. If you want to be more specific, you could say, I work in an electronics shop. أعمل في متجر للإلكترونيات. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos like this.